Here we are, Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2008 Yamaha R6 Supersport. 600cc, fuel injected, liquid cooled. This bike is in beautiful condition. Metallic silver finish, smoke windscreen, flush mount turn signals, brand new tires, fender eliminator, integrated taillights. This bike is in awesome condition. Price to sell just $67.99. Come by, make your super sport dreams come true. Check out this bike, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.